Hi everybody, I'm Marla. I'm a senior here and I'm a biology major, and I've also been a peer tutor at the Academic Resource Center for the past 3 years. At the Academic Resource Center we have tons to offer, and I can't wait for you to hear all about it inside.
So my name is Anthony. I work down in the ARC. This is the small group room where we hold group studies, such as the conversation tables upon many other classes. There's a schedule of all the classes and the group times out front of the door. It's a very relaxed setting, and we can fit a fair bit of people in here.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm a peer tutor at the Academic Resource Center, and here is where you can sign up for student appointments. We have a book full of appointments with tutors at different times. We also have a booklet where you can find which tutors tutor which subject. We also have group tutoring sessions, so you can always check what block your math group may be in or a Spanish group may be in.
Hi, I'm Paige. I'm a junior here at Penn State Schuylkill, and aside from the peer tutoring, we also have professional tutors and advisors that you can schedule. Unlike student tutoring, you can schedule professional tutors and advising at any time of the day.
Hi, I'm Alexis and I'm a peer tutor at the Academic Resource Center. So as a recap of what we do down here in the ARC, we have group sessions, individual tutoring sessions, drop-in tutoring, and professional tutors to look over your work. Drop-in tutoring is 11 to 2 Monday through Friday. So you can come down for a quick 15-minute session with any of our available tutors on any kind of math problem, physics problem, chemistry, whatever you need help on. Come see us at the ARC.